Let me ask you something. Did you know the average bathroom is packed with single-use plastic? From shampoo bottles to disposable razors, it's one of the most waste-heavy rooms in your home. But here's the great news. You don't need a full renovation to go plastic-free. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 simple plastic-free bathroom swaps that'll help you reduce waste, save money, and feel great about your daily routine. Let's get started, because 10 is a switch most people never think about, but it makes a big difference. Number 1. Switch to bar soap instead of body washington. Did you know body wash bottles are one of the top plastic items in landfills? Bar soap comes with little or no packaging. It lasts longer than liquid soap. Bonus: it's available in natural, handmade, and organic options. Number 2. Try shampoo and conditioner bars. Did you know 552 million shampoo bottles are thrown away every year in the US alone? Shampoo bars are concentrated and plastic-free. They last up to 80 washes. Many come in recyclable paper or tin packaging. Number 3. Use a bamboo toothbrush. Did you know over 1 billion plastic toothbrushes are tossed each year? Bamboo toothbrushes are compostable and just as effective. Some even come with replaceable heads. Look for ones with plant-based bristles for extra eco-points. Number 4. Ditch the plastic razor for a safety razor. Did you know disposable razors aren't recyclable? Safety razors are made of metal and last for years. You just replace the blade. Saves money and cuts way down on waste. Number 5. Swap toothpaste tubes for tablets or paste in a jar. Did you know toothpaste tubes can't be recycled in most places? Toothpaste tablets come in glass jars or compostable bags. Paste in aluminum tins or reusable jars is another option. Same clean, fresh feel, no plastic. Number 6. Try a plastic-free deodorant. Did you know most deodorant tubes are made from multiple types of plastic, making them hard to recycle? Try deodorant in cardboard tubes, glass jars, or refillable containers. Many are made with natural ingredients that are gentle on your skin. Number 7. Ditch disposable wipes and cotton pads. Did you know disposable wipes contain plastic and don't break down easily? Use reusable cloth rounds or makeup remover pads. Wash and reuse hundreds of times. Better for your skin and the planet. Number 8. Choose refillable or bulk refill options. Did you know you can refill things like hand soap, shampoo, and lotion? Many stores now offer refill stations. You can reuse your own containers. Reduces packaging waste over time. Number 9. Go plastic-free with period products. Did you know menstrual products are a huge source of plastic waste? Try menstrual cups, reusable cloth pads, or period underwear. They're comfortable, cost-effective, and better for the planet. Number 10. Replace your loofah with the natural option. Did you know plastic shower poofs shed microplastics? Natural loofahs, sea sponges, or cloth wash mitts are compostable. They work just as well and don't leave a plastic trace. So, what was your favorite fact? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.